Throughout 2011, PlanesTV was once again recording the British Airshows scene. This is the pick of the action at the shows we've been to. There have been great displays from foreign air arms, particularly at Yeovilton, where we saw the French Rafale and Super Étendard and the Polish MiG-29. The United States Air Force put in some rare appearances, the A-10 at the Royal International Air Tattoo and the F-15 at Duxford, and we'll take you into the cockpit for both of those displays. We'll also go on board with the Matadors as Paul Bonhomme and Steve Jones fly their brand new SBAC 300 aircraft. And we put cameras in Vulcan's bomb bay, as well as catching the view inside her cockpit. Of course, there are lots of historic gems, of flying legends. It was great to see Flying Bull's P-38 Lightning. And at Shoreham, the Battle of Britain show tradition continues with an impressive set piece that includes pyrotechnics. Disc 2 gives you feature-length mini-cam sequences with the ability to switch between ground and in-cockpit views throughout each routine using your angle button. Here's a look at some of the action coming up.